Hey, what's up? This is your girl Bright Eyes. So I'm doing another video and I'm unboxing the magnetic hoop clip. So if you watched my previous video, I wanted a multimeter machine, but I decided it would have been a bad investment for me to invest in one. So this is what I decided to do to try to see if I could get my machine to embroider on a hat. So I decided to invest in a hoop that could work with caps. So let's unbox and see what's inside. So in the box you get a cap, and you get the magnetic clip, and there's no hoop. And I thought you supposed to get a magnetic hoop. No, it doesn't come with one, so I was kind of disappointed. So you know what I did? I looked up online to see if I could get a magnetic hoop, and it was very expensive. I was like, whoa. So I decided to get a 5x7 magnetic hoop to fit with this clip. And it came today, and I'm going to show you it right now. Okay, this is it. All right, I bought it on eBay. They do sell it on Amazon for $10 less. So let's go inside the box and see what's in here. Now, I paid $70 for it, but you could get it with free shipping on Amazon for $60. So I paid for the shipping, so it came up to $72. I'm gonna open it and check it out. Okay, so this is the one that will fit with my brother or baby lock embroidery machine. I have a baby lock machine. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take the clip out, the bag. And it works. It looks like I'm holding it upside down. If it was on the machine, I would have had to hold it like this, right? And I guess you use the magnets to get it in place, you know. You see the magnets? They're very strong, and they have like a gray thing over it. I thought it was just gonna be just regular magnets, but it has this, and which is good, so it doesn't, you know, when they're like together, it's not gonna hurt your skin. If you ever deal with magnets, like I have, so I know. So that's nice. So I guess if I was gonna do the hat, I will place it here. Like so, and I guess you put the magnets there. Just open it. I think it could work. I think it could really work. Yeah, I believe it could work. So there you have it. Just place it in place. And I guess you just start embroidering. You know? So I will do another video to see how it turns out and look. So I guess I'll see y'all later. Bye.